Hello, and welcome to the box room. I'm going to have another look. Well, not another look, but a look at one of these other public domain discs. And well, I'll move to this thing called Dixie 64. I have no idea. Not very long. I'd like to think it plays music of some sort, but I don't know. What does it do? Oh, yeah. Lovely. And that was done long ago by a great man and a great friend, Jim Butterfield. And there's the program, and there's the data. I did not know it was a Butterfield creation. Let's see. Let us have a nice day. Yes, I want to start. This is the game to get revenge on all the time some mind in the city had told you you have a nice day without really losing it, without giving a damn. If your mother died or you lost 40,000 in poker the night before, it is time to blast away the symbol of that phrase, the smiley face. Just use A to move your gun to the left and S to the right, and use the equal sign to fire. If a smiley gets to the bottom of the playfield, you lose. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this. So, A, S, and equal. All right, let's see what happens here. I am not that. Oh no. Oh. It is tough. Like, hey, I got that. Oh, it went right through. I think I have found that if you are still moving, it will not. What's going on here? It will not. Or maybe the keyboard buffer is full. Get over there. No. Oh. There's no way. Oh, I got it. I don't think so. Oh, I got it. Just barely. I'm 30 for 30. I'm dead. 30 shots, 30 hits. Play again. No. All that too is a basic program. By Mike Fleischner from Massachusetts. There's his phone number. I bet you it's not the same phone number, though. All right. Oh, that may not be looking so nice over there. Card guess. I'm going to show you a card trick. After the first deal, pick a card and type the number of the column containing it. People will pick up the cards and will deal them out again. When he finishes, type the number of the new column containing your card. Repeat once more. The dealer will then turn over the cards one at a time until he reaches the one you picked. Let's see what this is. Which column contains your card? Oh, okay. I'm going to go with a 10 of diamonds. Let's say 1. And it is now line 3. And it is now line 1. Your card is the 10 of diamonds. Do you want to see it again? Imagine. Yes. Let's try that again. This time we'll take the Jack of Diamonds. It's in 3. The Jack of Diamonds is in 1. The Jack of Diamonds is in 3. And the card was the Jack of Diamonds. Do you want to see it again? No. Interesting. Oh, sorry, I should have listed it. It would have been another basic program. Let's look at this thing called Pyramid. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh, I guess it's doing all right. Sounds like maybe it was fighting to get in. Okay, we're in. An incredible story from Egypt. Ooh. It looks like a pyramid. Looks like a truck. Looks like people getting out of the truck. Open sesame. Now they're going into the pyramid. Now I would assume they are inside the pyramid. A moment of silence, please. It's like they're going down a long shaft in the pyramid. And now they're in the treasure room, maybe. Oh. Down another long shaft into another room. They seem to be looking around for things. And indeed. Uh-oh. Things are getting in their way. I have no idea where this is going. Oh. Can. I don't know. Things are poof. They're coming out. Or one of them came out. And that's it. That is the end. Undoubtedly another basic program. And there are all the carefully created rooms. I wonder if that was done for like a little project. I don't know. Oh, same guy. I think that's what it was anyway. Yeah, same guy. There, that looks better in white. Well, interesting. Always interesting to look at some of these old time things. And this I have, I mean, I've seen the Butterfield thing before. I remember when he demonstrated that at a T-Bug meeting. But the rest, not really. Not really. So, thanks for coming. We'll look at more things next time we meet. Bye for now.